Hello student, right now we do chapter 4th, exercise 4.3, simple equations, sum number 1 and 2. Solve the equations. Statement is on your screen. Part A, 2y plus 5 by 2 equals to 37 by 2. Important thing is that we have to separate this variable. For it, the process 2y left hand side equals to 37 by 2 also same at the right hand side. Now this 5 by 2 goes to right hand side and becomes of a minus. In fraction, when you want to solve the fractional part, you have to take the LCM. Take LCM, 2, divide, multiply 37, 37 1 ja 37. Divide 2 by 2, 1. Multiply 1 by 5, 5 1 ja 5. By denominator divide, when quotient comes, multiply it by the numerator. 32 minus 5 becomes 32. 37 minus 5 becomes 32 by 2. 2 in multiply with y, change its side. Now 2 comes in denominator. 2 1 ja, 2 16 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 8 ja. Hence value of y is 8 is your required answer. Now the part B, 5t plus 28 equals to 10. We will try variable part at the left hand side and constant term to the right hand side. 10 same, 28 right hand side में आएगा, becomes of minus. Plus minus minus sign which is greater. 28 is greater than 10. In front of 28 sign is of minus. That's why we use here minus. 28 minus 10 becomes 18. Now separate t. T at the left hand side 5. Change the position of 5. It goes in division. यहाँ t के साथ मल्टीप्लाई में है. When we change its side, कहाँ चला जाएगा? In division. Your required answer. Next, the part C. A by 5 plus 3 equals to 2. A by 5 same. 2 right hand side में है same. Plus 3 कहाँ आएगा? राइट हैंड साइड में. इक्वल टू के राइट हैंड साइड में, देन इट बिकम्स ऑफ minus 3. A by 5 plus minus minus sign which is greater. Here 3 is greater than 2. In front of 3 sign of minus, that's why we use here minus. 3 में से 2 गया 1. A, now this 5 goes in multiplication. Minus 1 into 5. A value is minus 5 is your required answer. When we do the sum according to rule, it will easy to solve. Next one is part D. Q by 4 plus 7 equals to 5. Same process. Q by 4 same, 5 same, right hand side plus 7 becomes of minus when we change its side. Solving minus 2, we have to separate this variable Q. तो 4 कहाँ चला जाएगा? Multiply में, becomes of minus 8. Part E, 5 by 2x equals to minus 10. left hand side, right hand side. We have to find the value of x. To find x, we separate it. How? See, x same, minus 10 same. 5/2 x के साथ मल्टीप्लाई में है. When we change its side, it go in a division. डिवीजन मतलब कि -10/5/2. चेंज इट. 2 नीचे है, ऊपर चला जाएगा. 5 ऊपर है, नीचे आ जाएगा. कैंसिल. 5 1 जा 5, 5 2 जा 10. -2 × 2/1. माइनस प्लस माइनस मल्टीप्लीकेशन रूल. 2 2 जा 4/1. We can write it only -4. That is your required answer. Part F. 5/2x equals to 25/4. Value of x we have to find. Variable term left hand side, constant term right hand side. Always try to take variable term at the left hand side and constant term at the right hand side. Separate x here, same. 25/4, right hand side, same. Now this 2 goes in multiplication and this 5 goes to in a division. या हम ऐसे कहें, जो डिनोमिनेटर है वो न्यूमरेटर में चला जाएगा और न्यूमरेटर जो है वो कहाँ आ जाएगा? डिनोमिनेटर में, व्हेन वी चेंज इट्स साइड. नाउ कैंसिल. 5 1 जा 5, 5 5 जा 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा. x इक्वल्स टू न्यूमरेटर में 5 × 1, डिनोमिनेटर में 2 × 1 makes 5/2 is your required answer. Now the part G. 7m plus 19/2 equals to 13. 7m 13 राइट हैंड साइड में सेम. किसको लेके जाना है आपने? 19/2 को. प्लस का है, चेंज करेंगे साइड तो किसका हो जाएगा? माइनस का. लेट राइट हियर 1 ऑल्सो. Now take LCM because of fraction. 2 डिवाइड किया 2, मल्टीप्लाई 13 2 जा 26. डिवाइड किया 1, मल्टीप्लाई किया 19 1 जा 19. 7m 26 minus 19 becomes 7 plus minus minus sign which is greater. 26 is greater than 19. In front of 26 sign is of प्लस. नंबर से पहले वाला साइन काउंट होता है. अगर कुछ भी साइन नहीं लगा हुआ, दैट मीन्स इट इज इक्वल टू प्लस. 7/2. नाउ सेपरेट m. 7 in multiplication with m. Now we change its side. It goes in denominator. Cut 7 from 7. Here m is 1/2 is your required answer. Next is part H. 6z plus 10 equals to -2. Take the statement like this. 6z same at the left hand side, -2 same at the right hand side, plus 10. प्लस 10 कहाँ आएगा? राइट हैंड साइड में. किसका बन जाएगा? माइनस का 10. 6z अप्लाई रूल. माइनस माइनस प्लस साइन ऑफ माइनस 2 10 12. जेड सेम. 6 कहाँ जाएगा? डिवीजन में. 6 1 जा 6 2 जा. वैल्यू ऑफ जेड इज -2 इज योर आंसर. डू वर्क स्मूथली. जो रूल बताए उसके अकॉर्डिंग आप करें, सम को करने में प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी बिल्कुल भी. पार्ट आई. 3l/2 equals to 2/3 statement. Now we have to separate this l. See how l 2/3 same. 3/2 in multiplication. When we change its side, this denominator becomes numerator and this numerator becomes denominator. Goes in multiplication. कैंसिल नहीं होता, 2 2 जा 4, 3 3 जा 9 इज रिक्वायर्ड आंसर. पार्ट जे. पार्ट जे. 2b by 3 minus 5 equals to 3. 2b by 3 minus 5 goes in plus 5. 2b by 3, 3 plus 5 8. b same, separate the b. This 3 goes in numerator and 2 in denominator. 2 1 ja 2 4 ja. b is 12. That is your required answer. Now we come to next sum number 2. Solve the following equations. A part, 2 into x plus 4 equals to 12. Something different question. Here 2 with the bracket. In bracket binomial expression. Binomial expression means to say in which two terms, 1 and 2. It can be trinomial, it can be monomial, it can be polynomial, so on. कुछ भी हो सकता है. See, पूरे binomial के बाहर bracket पे क्या है 2. x plus 4 same. This 2 goes in denominator. 2 6. Then it becomes x plus 4 equals to 6. Now see, like question number 1 of exercise 4.3, 4.2. Separate this variable x same, 6 right hand side same. This 4 goes to right hand side, becomes of minus. Solve x equals to 2. Answer. Part B. Same process we do here. 3 bracket n minus 2 equals to 21. Left hand side, right hand side. We have to solve this equation. Means to say, find the solution of n. Solution means to say particular value of this variable which satisfy the equation. Now see, bracket के बाहर 3 मल्टीप्लाई में होता है, चेंज कर उसकी साइड बाय में चला जाएगा. 3 1 जा 3 7 जा. n minus 5 is equals to 7. Now n same at the left hand side, 7 same at the right hand side. Minus 5 becomes of plus when we change its side. Then n is equals to 12 is your answer. Let me do this question by another method also. और क्या है? Another method. Answer will same by every method. First multiply 3 by n and 5. 3 into n, 3n. 3 5s are 15 equals to 21. Now you can solve it now. Minus 15 goes in plus 15. Then n is equals to 12. See, here also 12, here also 12. Answer will same, but method are different. यहाँ पे आपने पहले डिवाइड किया, फिर आपने इसको ऐड कर दिया. यहाँ आपने पहले मल्टीप्लाई किया, फिर सॉल्व किया. ये थोड़ा सा जो है इसमें कैलकुलेशन बड़ा हो जाता है, यहाँ कैलकुलेशन छोटा हो जाता है. पार्ट सी. 3 into n minus 5 in bracket equals to minus 21. n minus 5 same. Minus 21, 3 in division. 3 7 ja. Open the bracket. Minus 7. Now separate n. Minus 5 goes to in plus 5. n is equals to minus 2. That is your required answer. D part. Minus 4 into 2 plus x equals to 8. 2 plus x same. Minus 4 goes to in division. 4 1 ja, 4 2 ja. 2 plus x is equals to 2 by minus 1 इसी तरह से है. This minus goes in numerator, becomes of minus 2. Here x, this 2 goes in left hand side, becomes of minus. Minus minus plus, sign of minus, 2 plus 2 makes 4. That is your required answer. Next and last part E. 4 into 2 minus x equals to 8. 2 minus x is equals to 8 by 4. 4 2 is 8. 2 minus x equals to 2. Here we can cancel if both side is the same term. Here plus 2, here plus 2. We can cancel it like this. Okay. Then minus x is equals to 0. Shift this minus to right hand side. X is equals to minus 0. Then x is equals to 0, because we know that if we multiply any number by 0, we got a 0. Minus 1 into 0 becomes a 0. न्यू स्टेप है, इम्पॉर्टेंट स्टेप है आपके पास. ये हमने क्या किया, जब आपके पास दोनों तरफ लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और राइट हैंड साइड में सेम टर्म होती है तो हम उन्हें कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन इज, thank you class. In the next video we do next question of this exercise 4.3.